are you today, children? Okay, Alhamdulillah. I hope all of you is doing good today. So today we are going to learn the alphabet C. The sound of C is K. And now I have the objects that start from C. Okay, can we start now? Okay. K, 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 cup. K, 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 crown. K, 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 cat. K, 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 corn. K, 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 carrot. K, 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 comb. K, 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 clock. Okay, and now can you show me which one is cup? Great job. Which one is crown? Good. Which one is cat? Wonderful. Which one is corn? Very good. Which one is carrot? Yes. Which one is comb? Good job. And the last one, which one is clock? Okay, very good. And now, I want to ask you, what is this? Good job. What is this? Great. What is this? Very good. What is this? Good. What is this? Yeah. What is this? Good job. And the last one, what is this? Very good. So, Alhamdulillah, you are doing very good job today. So, this is our lesson today. We studied about K. The sound of C is K. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.